We are here at the entrance of the waterfall called Cascades in Man. That's the entrance right here. So for you guys coming to Ivory Coast in Man and you want to visit the waterfall Cascade, that's where you'll be entering. There's a lot of work to do, but yes, and right now I think this guy is repairing the security camera. So that's the waterfall Cascades de Man, or in plain English, the Waterfall of Man. Alright, now we're getting through, and that's the entrance, main entrance. So you can hear the water, the water here. You can hear it. See, we are just walking through the stair. That's a magnificent area. Look at right there. We are walking down right there. We are walking down the waterfall. Look at how beautiful that is, huh? Like a paradise. Those are the bamboo trees. You see the bamboo trees right there? From here you can see the water there of the Cascades de Man. Just people coming from that area. Yeah. So let me zoom right there for you guys, right there. Yeah, that's the waterfall Cascade. Just look. See how that is beautiful.